I'm S.V. Acharya, President Emeritus of Shankar Nethralaya USA, a fundraising arm of Shankar Nethralaya of Chennai, India, established by living legend Padma Bhushan Dr. S.S. Badrinath. Nethralaya provides the same superior quality of service for both paying and non-paying patients. Last year, Nethralaya treated over 800,000 outpatients and performed 60,000 surgeries, almost half of them free to the poor patients. Our trustee from Los Angeles, Mr. Prasad Rani, took the challenge of organizing Shatadina Swarachana, meaning 100 days of music concerts. Today marks the 100th day of those concerts. I want to congratulate Sri Prasad Rani for all his efforts and also hundreds of artists who participated in this event and supported our cause. For more information, please visit us at www.shankarnetralayausa.org. Thank you very much.
Welcome you all to the 100th day program, the Satadina Swarachana, being organized by Mr. Prasad Rani and his group. This is a very truly inspiring work done by him to create awareness and raise funds on behalf of Shankar Nethralaya USA for the indigent patients in India. You'd be happy to know that post-COVID, Shankar Nethralaya has almost started reaching the pre-COVID levels of our patient footfalls. We have also initiated our camp activities and the mobilized physical unit camps both at Jharkhand and in Tamil Nadu and Telangana region. All this has been possible due to the due diligence the team has followed in its COVID safety protocols, and most of our staff have also taken the COVID vaccinations. So I sincerely urge all the listeners to please volunteer and take the vaccines as and when the turn comes as per your local government protocols. Stay safe, stay healthy.
My name is Balareddy Indurti, President, Shankar Nethralaya USA. Today we are celebrating 100 days of semi-classical music program Shatadina Swarachana. I would like to congratulate our Los Angeles trustee Prasad Rani and all the participants across the globe to make this program successful. This program not only brought the awareness in USA but also in entire world. Recently, our Shankar Nethralaya Hospital was recognized by Newsweek as one of the best 4 ophthalmic hospitals in the world. We are helping indigent patients. Please support generously. Our website www.shankarnetralayausa.org. Thank you.
Congratulations for completing Satadina Swarachana. Shankar Nethralaya USA trustee from Los Angeles, Prasad Rani Garu, and everyone who helped him in organizing this. Your hard work, perseverance, passion, and compassion to spread the word about our noble cause and to restore the vision for indigent patients is really admirable. Thank you very much.
Shankar Nethralaya was recently voted one of the best hospitals in the world for ophthalmology, and our very own trustee Prasad Rani from the Los Angeles area has done a wonderful job in terms of creating awareness and raising funds to support free surgeries for many people that Shankar Nethralaya has successfully performing services for. Thanks again for all the good work and congratulations. Bye.
Namaskaram. Good evening. My name is Soumya Narayanan, Joint Secretary of Shankar Nethralaya. Our hearty congratulations to Shri Prasad Rani Gaur from our LA chapter. Hearty congratulations for completing 100 days of Carnatic music program in supporting Shankar Nethralaya activities to help poor indigent patients. Our sincere thanks to him as well as his team from LA. Thank you again.
I am Raja Krishnamurthy, one of the trustees of Shankar Nethralaya in the Southern California area. I like to welcome all the new trustees who have joined this great organization this year. And I also like to take this opportunity to congratulate Mr. Prasad Rani, one of the trustees of Southern California for his extensive work in arranging a fundraising program for Shankar Nethralaya. It's called Satadina Swara Archana, a 100 days event, and it's concluded just recently. 100 days he has arranged to bring in a new artist every day in Carnatic music as well as in instrumental music. And again, I'd like to thank Mr. Prasad Rani for his extensive efforts in this area. Thank you.
Our congratulations to our trustee Prasad Rani and the entire Los Angeles team for launching a 100-day festival of South Indian classical music to raise funds for Shankar Nethralaya. Our deepest gratitude to all the participants who have given their time and talent to raise funds for this very worthy cause, fighting blindness. They have not only raised funds, but they have raised awareness of the phenomenal work that is being done by Shankar Nethralaya, headed by our Chennai team, Dr. Girish Shiva Rao, with the guidance of our founder, Dr. S.S. Badrinath, and the entire Chennai team. Their phenomenal work has resulted in Newsweek nominating and recognizing Shankar Nethralaya as the #1 hospital in the world. Thank you all for every one of you for being part of this.
K.G. Venkatraman, one of the trustees of the Shankar Nethralaya Home Trust. I am associated with Shankar Nethralaya for more than 20 years. Congratulations and thanks to Prasad Rani, a Shankar Nethralaya Home Trust trustee, for organizing 100 days of classical and semi-classical music program. Special thanks to all the organizers and the participants of this program. This brings awareness of the Shankar Nethralaya and its charitable activities in helping the needy. Year after year, Shankar Nethralaya is recognized as one of the best hospitals in India. This program will be a good fundraising tool for a noble cause. We wish you a great success in all your current and future endeavors. Thank you. Saranam.
This is Dr. Raj Modi. I'm an ophthalmologist. I am here to congratulate the team of Shankar Nethralaya, especially Rani Prasad and Bala Indurtiji, who have produced 100 concerts for the benefit of Shankar Nethralaya. Shankar Nethralaya, as we know, is one of the top institute in ophthalmology in India. They are great in research, teaching, and charitable work. I have been to Shankar Nethralaya and I have seen their working. They are top of the line. Thank you very much.
I'm Dr. B.K. Kishore from Salt Lake City, Utah. I'm one of the trustees of Shankar Nethralaya Home Trust, United States. I would like to express my heartfelt compliments and thanks to Sri Prasad Rani Garu for undertaking the great yajna of Satadina Sarvarchana, or 100 days of classical and semi-classical concerts on behalf of the Shankar Nethralaya United States Los Angeles chapter. As Lord Sri Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, real yajna is collectively putting our mind, intellect, manpower, and resources in doing good work for the welfare of the community of people around us. I wish and pray the Almighty to make this yajna of Satadina Sarvarchana a very successful one and bless all those who are involved in it with dedication. Thank you.
సర్వేంద్రియానాం నయనం ప్రధానం. గత 43 సంవత్సరాలుగా శంకర నేత్రాలయ సంస్థ భారతదేశంలోని సుదూర ప్రాంతాల్లో నివసించే నిరుపేదలకు కంటి చూపును అందిస్తూ ప్రపంచ ప్రఖ్యాతిగాంచిన ఆసుపత్రుల్లో పేరు నమోదు చేసుకోవడం చాలా గర్వంగా ఉంది. దాని అనుబంధ సంస్థ శంకర నేత్రాలయ USA గత 32 సంవత్సరాలుగా అమెరికాలో సాంస్కృతిక కార్యక్రమాలు నిర్వహించడం, తద్వారా వచ్చిన నిధులను సేకరించి భారతదేశానికి పంపించడం జరుగుతోంది. ఆ సంస్థ పాలక మండలి సభ్యులు ప్రసాద్ రాణి గారు శతదిన స్వరార్చన అనే అంశాన్ని తీసుకొని 100 రోజుల పాటు నిరాటంకంగా యువతను ప్రోత్సహిస్తూ వారిలో నాయకత్వ లక్షణాలు పెంపొందిస్తూ సేవాభావాన్ని కలిగిస్తూ అవసరమైన నిధులను సేకరిస్తూ పశ్చిమ తీరా నుంచి దేశం అంచులన్నీ తాకుతూ ఎంతో సేవలందిస్తున్న ప్రసాద్ రాణి గారికి ప్రత్యేకంగా అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. శతదిన స్వరార్చన కార్యక్రమాన్ని అద్భుతంగా నిర్వహించి శంకర్ నేత్రాల సంస్థలో ఒక మైలురాయిని చేరారు వారు. వారందరికీ నా ప్రత్యేకమైన కృతజ్ఞతలు.
Los Angeles trustee for Shankar Nethralaya, Prasad Rani Garu, for successfully completing 100 days of online musical program, bringing awareness to Shankar Nethralaya, and also all the participants that made this possible. Thank you and appreciate everyone watching the program and bringing the awareness. Thank you very much.
Namaskar, good afternoon. My name is Partha Chakravarti. I'm one of the trustees of SN Om Trust USA from San Francisco Bay Area. I want to congratulate Sri Prasad Rani, trustee of Los Angeles chapter of SN Om Trust USA, for coordinating 100 days of classical and semi-classical online streaming music concerts to create awareness and raise funds for Shankar Nethralaya Chennai. As most of you may know, Shankar Nethralaya Chennai was founded by Chairman Emeritus Dr. S.S. Badrinath. I thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak to you all.
Namaste, this is Krishna Bhatt, trustee of Shankar Nethralaya USA. Congratulations on successfully organizing the Shatadina Surarchana program. It's a great way of spreading the message of Shankar Nethralaya across all the people in the USA and giving a good stage to the young talented people. Please continue the good work and best wishes to the Surarchana 100 days program. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, my name is Varad Rajan. I am one of the trustees in LA chapter, Shankar Nethralaya Om Trust. It is really admirable that Shankar Nethralaya LA has done an incredible job in organizing the Satadina Swarachana 100-day event. Congratulations. It was a fantastic idea to host an online event every day given the pandemic situation, bringing the diversified young artists and encouraging them to show their talents. Thank you.
Hi, this is Shankar Shetty, trustee from New Jersey. Congratulations and thank you, Prasad Rao Garu, for coordinating Satadina Swarachana. This is a great news for US Shankar Nethralaya for growing so big because of folks like you and with your contribution. Thank you.
Hello Andy, my name is Raj Shekhar, I'm trustee of Shankar Nethralaya from Detroit chapter. So I would like to congratulate Prasad Rani, Los Angeles trustee for Shankar Nethralaya for conducting a semi-classical program, Satadina Swarachana program, successfully for 100 days. And I would really like to thank Shankar Nethralaya for giving opportunity for us to serve the organization.
This is Neelima Gaddamanaku from Natarajan Archanjali Kuchipudi Dance Academy, Atlanta. We would like to congratulate Sri Prasad Rani Garu and his team for a tremendous effort, not only to raise awareness but also the funds for Shankar Nethralaya. I myself very happy to inform that my own family members participated in this long journey. So congratulations on your 100th day mark and best wishes to Shankar Nethralaya team.
My name is Prasad Rani and I am trustee of Shankar Nethralaya USA LA chapter. I am very privileged, honored and pleased to have been the coordinator of this program called Satadina Swarachana, a 100 days of classical and semi-classical music concerts brought to you. I hope you enjoyed the concert as much as I did. Today marks the 100th day of the program and I'm very pleased to have reached to this culmination with help of many people, which I would like to thank each and every one of them. In particular, I would like to thank all the performers who have provided their musical expertise for our entertainment. I really would like to thank each one of them. And then I would like to thank Sri Balareddy Indurti, President of Shankara Nethralaya USA, Sri Acharya Ji, President Emeritus, Sri Soumya Ji and Srimati Nilima Gaddamangu Garu for doing such a program prior to me, which gave me inspiration to take up this. I also would like to thank my fellow trustees from Los Angeles, Sri Raja Krishnamurthy and Sri Vardarajan Garu, and also my volunteers of LA team. I also would like to thank fellow trustees from USA, all other chapters who have provided me encouragement, inspiration, and support to complete this program. Last but not least, I would like to thank my wife and my family who have supported me and allowed me to spend numerous hours each day in making this program happen.